Hello everyone, this is Dr. Lisa Janeski and I'm excited to introduce you to our new patient portal. So the first thing that you're going to do is go to our website at www.bcseyes.com, and then you'll hover over the Patient Center and you'll click on Patient Portal. Next, you'll go ahead and scroll down. If you don't already have your username and password, you'll fill out your name, desired username, email address right here, and then click on Request Access, and we'll email you your username and password within 48 hours. You'll be able to change your password later on if you like. If you already have your username and password, you can click on Sign In Now. And then you'll go ahead and enter in your username and password. And that will bring you to the home page of the portal. The first thing you'll see is any secure messages that you have. If you'd like to send us a secure message, just type in here and then click Send. If you have any files that you need to send us, you could go ahead and attach the files here. If you need to get any of your glasses or contact lens prescriptions, you'll do it here on the Records page. Just go ahead and click on Records, and then all of your glasses and contact lens prescriptions will be right here. If you need us to upload your full medical records, let us know, and we could go ahead and upload those for you. The other thing we have is online forms. We'll go ahead and upload all of the demographic information that you've given us from your previous eye exam, and this way all you have to do is log in and make any changes. So you'll update your demographics, then you'll go to the medical history tab, update any medical conditions that you have, go to the ocular history tab, let us know why you're coming in and what kind of symptoms that you have, then click on the Submit Data tab and make sure you click the Submit Data button. The other thing that you can do with our portal is schedule online. So you'll click the Schedule button, and then you'll come over here and you'll click which type of exam you need. And once you've done that, you can pick which provider you'd like to see. And once you've selected your provider, it will go on to give you the calendar where you can pick your date and time. And the nice thing about scheduling this way is that it schedules directly into our appointment book, so no worrying about having to see if that appointment slot's available. If it's in here, it's available. And the last thing is that we have the account button right here where you could go on in and change your password. Your username has to stay as is. Well, that's it for the portal. We hope you find this easy and convenient to use. Thanks so much. See you soon.